Okay, so I just want to do a quick onboarding video to show you how to navigate your way around this platform where your course is, how to log in and all of that. All right, so you're going to be sent an email at the point of beginning of this course. The email is going to contain a specific link, and I'm just going to copy the link and paste here. But right from your email, you should be able to click the link and then direct it to the page that you need to get to. All right, so the link is, I'm just going to grab the link. This is the link, Process Improvement for Manufacturing, and I'm just going to click on that, and you should be directed to this page, right? So whether you're using a phone or a laptop or a desktop or whatever, you should have this page, show on your screen. And then on the top right end here, top right corner here, we're going to have a login button. For some devices, it shows as three horizontal lines. So you're just going to click that icon there to log in. You don't need to, click enroll me here or any other thing here, but you can of course look through this page. So what you want to do is click on this login and then you'll be redirected to this page. Right. So once you get to this page, you're going to put in your email, and this is going to typically be the email that was used to register for the course, right? And then a default password will also be shared to you as well, which you would put in this location here. So I'm just going to put my own default generic email here. Okay, so I have my email here, and then I'm also going to put my password, which would be shared with you as well. You would have a default password, but you can decide to change that later. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to click login here, and then you'll be shown, you know, a page similar to this. In some cases, it loads you directly here. In some other cases, you will be shown a page that looks like this, right? Showing you the particular course, and you can see process improvement for manufacturing. And then I'm just going to click on that. And then I see all the modules and everything that I have here. So you have a welcome page here, and then you have the modules that are currently live, right? For this first stage, you have 5 models that are live, so you can see them already here and all of that. But let me go, highlight some things here. So I have the welcome view here. You want to start here. This is, your starting point. And then I have how to navigate the platform, which is what I'm already recording here. So if you want to watch that again, why not? But this is the video you're looking at. And then you have your module videos here. And one beautiful thing about this platform is that if I click on a specific video, so let's start with your transformation starts here, you would see that underneath the video, right? I'm just going to pause this. Underneath the video, you have the option to put in some comments, and I can see these comments later on. You can also put comments and use this as a platform to also engage other learners, ask questions on that particular video, and I can respond to this directly, right? So this is also another way for us to, keep engaging and keep learning together as you proceed in this course. So you can put comments here, and say, oh, I have a question, or I loved this was wonderful, I learned a lot, and then you click on post that comment and all of that. So that's something you can do here as well. Another thing that you can also do, or you will notice, is that you have model quiz. So let me click on model quiz here, and I'm trying to make this as brief as possible so that you can jump into actual learning. So you have quiz here, and this is just something to help you with your personal evaluation and reflection, right? So this is an example here. It says the earliest form of manufacturing included which of the following, and you have 4 options here. So I can select any of these options, and based on my selection, I'll be prompted whether it was correct or wrong and shown the right answer. Let me just do this as a bonus. So if I click on a group of specialists, it's asking me, I can click check, right? Check whether this is correct. And then it tells me, no, it's not correct. And then you can see that the correct answer is a single artisan, which is what is circled here, and then I can continue. So I have 15 questions here, and I can do this just to check that I understood what was taught. I can go back and repeat the exercise and say, oh no, this is what I should have taken, repeat the quiz. So these are ungraded quizzes basically, right? So nobody is checking to see. In fact, I don't get a report as to how many you failed or passed. So the goal here is not to, get all the answers correct by all means, right? You want to test and properly evaluate whether you've actually gained this new knowledge or gained this new skill that this module has, tried to do for you, explain. So that's basically what you have here and all of that. So you can do all of that. You can navigate through the entire course and see what is there, and then keep on learning and benefiting as you proceed. So that's it in a nutshell. And of course, I do always recommend that you bookmark, the course page. So let me just go back to the home button. So if I go back to the home button, you should have a way to bookmark. So you can click on this, depending on the browser. You can Google how to bookmark, and all of that. But because I'm using a guest account, I can't really bookmark here, right? But basically, you would have a star button here where you can click and bookmark this page. Or from here, these three dots, you would see a bookmark. What that bookmark allows you to do is to save the link. So every time you shut down your system or you come back, you can easily just come back to that bookmarked page. You would see it on your tabs. If I open a new tab, you will see all your bookmarked links here, and then you can easily navigate to the course as you wish. I hope this has been clear. You understand how to log in, how to put comments, how to, move through the courses, move through the models, I mean, and all of that. All right. And then you have your account here. So you can also do other things here. I can edit my profile. This is where you want to, maybe you want to change your password, you want to do all of that. You can play around with that as well here and all. All right. So I'm just going to log out and close this video. All right. Awesome.